Hi, my name is Gabriel. I am a BMW genius here at United BMW in Alpharetta, Georgia, and today we're going to be taking a look at the parking assistant in the all-new BMWs with iDrive 8.5. So, with a parking assistant, the first step you always want to make sure you do is you always want to make sure you hit your PDC button, which is located right down here. So as long as this is on, then you are able to use the actual parking assistant. Now, you want to pay attention to the actual screen itself. Specifically this side of the screen. What I always recommend is that to pay attention to it and make sure you can see the bumper sort of poke out on the edge of the screen, whether it's on the left or on the right, depending on where you want to park at. And then after that, once this feature is on, you simply just want to go drive past your parking spot. So in this case, we're going to use a parking spot to our left. So we're going to go past the parking spot here. And once it detects it, you will get a notification for it to let you know that the car detected the spot. So we're going to keep going because the spot's going to be on our left just up ahead. You can see there's a spot in between these two cars coming up here. Okay, so now it detected the spot. So from here on over, on the right, you'll see that it says start reverse parking and start forward parking. Because we already passed it, I usually just like to do start reverse parking. So you want to make sure your foot's on the brake. Tap on reverse parking, and then once you're here, you want to take your foot completely off of the brake. So from here on forward, the car's going to do everything else for you. You can see I'm not touching it. I'm not doing anything with any of the car, and the car is just going to park itself. So here it needs a little bit more space. So it's actually going to pull forward. Depending on how much space you give it, it might need to readjust. So here it's going to pull forward just a bit so that it could align itself properly. It's always funny to see the steering wheel sort of twist by itself. And there you go. And it's done. The car actually puts itself back into park for you, so you don't have to do anything after that. That's pretty much parking assistant there. If you were using this in a parallel parking scenario, it would work the exact same way. You want to go past your parking spot after you activate the PDC button, and then once it detects it, you want to make sure that you pull in through a parallel parking spot. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to stop on by or give us a call.